Hey guys, welcome to another plugin tutorial, and today it's on custom join items. So as the plugin name suggests, it gives every player all these items when they join the server. You can customize all of these, you can remove them, change them, and when you right click any of these items they perform a command. So it's pretty cool, as you can customize everything from the lore to the wait timer before they can use it again, and any message that you want. So each command can be performed as either the op, the server, or tell the player something in private. So if I right click the speed one, which I made using essentials, it performs the /effect command, which I can show you now. So /effect player, the effect, which is obviously speed, for 5 seconds, and speed 3. So this quit button, which I made and customized the lore, it kicks you from the server and leaves a nice message. So let's go into the config file now. There's a couple of files, here they are, and I can show you how to actually use them. So if you go into the custom join items folder, you have these three. So if I go into the tutorial first, this is what I was mentioning. You can either do a command as the op, console, server, or just tell a player a message. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into the config first. Not much in here. You can just update notifications. I'd set that to false, and clear inventory on join. I'd set that to true if it's a hub server, but if it's a survival server I would set that to false, because people might have diamonds and whatnot. So here we go. There is a lot here. It looks complicated, but it's really not. So obviously you can name your item anything, that doesn't matter. Just as long as it's a different name. Make sure the slots are different so they don't override, and obviously you can set the law. So we're going to create a new one down here. So let's just go ahead and copy the one I made earlier, which is pretty cool. Not sure why that says trues there, but we're going to go underneath, paste it. Shouldn't be like that, and then we're going to name it tutorial, like that. So what's this going to do? Well, this is going to give an item. So this is going to be the free diamond button, and we're going to use and B, which is cyan, and bold, which is good. So the ID, obviously we want diamond, which I think is 264. Let me just check that. Diamond. Let's just type in here, and yes, it is 264. So that's good. Slot, so what slot have we got free? Let's just put in slot 2, like that. Data value 0, that's fine. And this can be something like enjoy your free diamond, or free diamond, smiley face. And then we can change this to maybe a nice and 9 colour, and bold, looks good. And the command, obviously we don't want to kick them from the server. What we are going to use is the essentials give command. So /give, don't put the / player, it will just use their username, and then it will be 264 and 1. Now the cooldown, you can set this to either like 1 second or 99999 if you only want someone to use it once. Give it respawn, true, false, depending on what your server is. So if that was a hub server, you'd set that to true. Survival, maybe not. First join only, so hub, you'd want it every time they join, but obviously a survival server, maybe not. You can disable it in particular worlds if you've got like multiverse, and give on world change. So I'd probably set that to false. So if they got it in the hub server where they spawned, you wouldn't want it in creative and factions and all the others. So yeah, that's how you do that. And if we go in game and do CJI reload and then leave the server, obviously I should have used the quit button really, and then rejoin, we will get our free diamond button. And if we right click it, there we go, there's our free diamond. And if we try and get another, we can't, because there's obviously the cooldown. And then we can use the quit button again, which is really nice. So yeah, that is how you use the plugin. It's really cool. It's working on 1.8, which is really good, but it's only updated to 1.7.4, I believe. Hopefully the developer updates it again, or someone takes it over, but it's still a brilliant plugin, still works fine. No errors in the console, at least for this plugin. There's probably plugin that's sending me errors. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you soon.